If you're in the market for a 2024 Ford Escape but aren't dead set on it, check out these 5 solid and reliable alternatives. Ford and Chevrolet have always been rivals, so it's no surprise that we would recommend the Equinox first. The Equinox is Chevy's best-selling SUV, and for 2024, it's fitted with a couple of new colors and safety features. Under its hood is a 175-horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, which some may call underpowered, but it's efficient nonetheless with an EPA rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway. With a reliability score of 90 out of 100 by J.D. Power, it's considered a great car. The 2024 Ford Bronco Sport is the Escape's rugged stablemate that's somewhat capable of making its way off the beaten path. It won't conquer the Rubicon, but the Bronco Sport does have a punchy 245-horsepower engine and an available torque-vectoring all-wheel drive system. In addition to its stout powertrain, the Ford Bronco Sport has a good sense of style and is reliable. J.D. Power rated the Bronco Sport an 83 out of 100. The 2025 Nissan Rogue is a good alternative to the Ford Escape for its upscale interior layout and smooth ride. It can also do some light off-road duty with the new for 2025 Rock Creek Edition. As for reliability, the Nissan Rogue scored 83 out of 100 on J.D. Power's reliability scale. That should give buyers some peace of mind. The 2024 Kia Sportage offers buyers an excellent value over the Ford Escape. For starters, its base price is under $30,000, and it offers similar equipment to the Escape. The Sportage also carries a decent amount of power for daily driving duties. The 2.5-liter engine under the hood puts out 187 horsepower that's sent to the front wheels. What makes the Sportage even more of a bargain, however, is the 10-year, 100-mile warranty and its reliability score of 83 out of 100, which is considered great by J.D. Power. The Volkswagen Tiguan has been on the market since 2009, and it doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon. For the 2024 model year, the Volkswagen Tiguan offers buyers a dose of European styling and a dash of performance and fuel efficiency. The Tiguan is motivated by a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine that makes 184 horsepower and is connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's also fairly reliable, as J.D. Power gave it a 75 out of 100 for reliability.